Niacinamide plus vitamin C? Disaster or dream glow? Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Let's clear the confusion about niacinamide and vitamin C in your skincare. The myth started decades ago because early studies showed na unstable sila when combined, nagiging irritating or less effective. But here's the science. Those studies used pure vitamin C ascorbic acid at very low pH and unrealistic lab conditions. While modern formulations now use stabilized vitamin C derivatives like 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid. This type is water-soluble and stable at pH 4 to 6. Niacinamide, on the other hand, is stable at pH 5 to 7. So when the formulation is around pH 5 to 6, both ingredients stay stable and effective. They can even complement each other. Vitamin C brightens and fights free radicals, habang niacinamide calms redness and strengthens the skin barrier. If it's a modern vitamin C derivative, it's safe with niacinamide. But with pure ascorbic acid, formulation is key. Again, I'm Chat De Los Santos, your wellness cosmetic chemist. If gusto mo ring matutong mag-formulate at gumawa ng sarili mong skincare products, I have a training for you. DM me if you're interested. Let's grow your knowledge and skills in cosmetic formulation.